Did you know Russia has a real military laser system? It's called Pereswet, and it's no longer science fiction. Pereswet is a directed energy weapon shrouded in secrecy. Its power? Enough to blind satellites or melt drones mid-air. Unlike missiles, lasers strike at the speed of light. That means no time to dodge, no warning before impact. Russia first revealed Pereswet in 2018, briefly, but even then, details remained classified and vague. What we do know, it's mobile, mounted on military trucks. That mobility makes it hard to detect or preempt. Pereswet is believed to protect Russia's nuclear missile sites. It disables incoming reconnaissance without a trace. Satellites flying over suspect zones may suddenly go dark. Some experts believe it's already been tested in orbit. On Earth, it can shoot down surveillance drones with precision. Laser beams are invisible, silent, and near instantaneous. There's no explosion, just sudden failure in the target. Lasers don't run out like bullets or missiles. As long as there's power, they keep firing. Russia claims Pereswet is already deployed and combat ready. But how powerful is it, really? Western analysts can only guess based on rare footage. Some think it can blind low Earth satellites permanently. Others suspect it can burn through metal at close range. If true, Pereswet changes how wars are fought. It turns light into a weapon, clean, fast, deadly. No trails, no noise, just silence before systems shut down. It's not about firepower, it's about control. And if lasers become mainstream, the battlefield will vanish in light. So, what happens when warfare becomes invisible?